Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome, my dear followers. Today, inshallah, we will continue the rest, the Arabian letters, the Arabian alphabet. Let's start. Bismillah. Sin, the letter Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Tah, Vah, Ain, Ghain, Fa. Sin, we said before that the Arabian letters have three shapes. One in the first of the word, the second in the middle of the word, the last in the last of the word, separately or connectly. Let's continue. Sin in the first of the word, sin in the middle of the word, sin in the last of the word, connectly or separately. Connectly or separately. Shin, Shin in the first of the word, Shin in the middle of the word, Shin in the last of the word, Shin in the last of the word, separately or connectly. Sad, Sad, Sad in the first of the word, Sad in the middle of the word, Sad in the last of the word, connectly or separately. Dad, Dad, like Diya, it's okay. Dad in the first of the word, Dad in the middle of the word, Dad in the last of the word, connectly, Dad in the last of the word, separately. Tah, Tah, Tah in the first of the word, Tah in the middle of the word, Tah in the last of the word, connectly, Tah in the last of the word, separately. Vah, Vah, also Vah in the first of the word, Vah in the middle of the word, Vah in the last of the word, connectly or separately. Ain, 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 Ain in the first of the word, Ain in the middle of the word, Ain in the last of the word, Ain separately. As we say, Omar. Omar, it is the name of a person, of a boy or a man. Ain in the first of the word. Ghain, Ghain, it is also the same. Ghain in the first of the word, Ghain in the middle of the word, Ghain in the last of the word, Ghain separately in the last of the word separately. The last letter for today, fa. Also, 3 shapes. Fa in the first of the word, fa in the middle of the word, fa in the last of the word. Connectly, fa in the last of the word separately. As we say, Yusuf. Yusuf. This is fa in the last of the word connectly. Inshallah, I will tell you when we use the word in the last of the word separately, inshallah, in the next videos, inshallah. But till now, we have to learn all the letters. We have to learn that, the speaking, the pronunciation. We have to learn how to write the letters in the first of the word, in the middle of the word, in the last of the word, connectly or separately. Yusuf, you know, the name of one of prophets, Joseph. Yusuf, the Arabian name for the prophet Joseph. That's all for today. هذا كان كل شيء لهذا اليوم. I hope for you the best. أرجو لكم التوفيق يا رب. It is honor to me to share. It is honor to me to follow, subscribe, like and share. Good comment like you. Thank you all. Assalamu alaykum.